Hello again, guys. Jay Elliott here with the cold start video. I've got 3 or 4 days that this car just been on the rack, so we'll start it and I'll show you guys what you can expect when you get it. Again, all the pixels illuminate properly in this car. Even the center screen, even the radio, all of it. Little high idle. Here's I'll turn on the radio for you guys. But no smoke out of this car when cold. No smoke under turbo either. Nothing at all. No leaks, and just really clean. Open up. And there you go. I'll do a drive for you guys and a natural light walk around as well. Thanks again.